welcome back, students. This is the listening section for Unit 9. It is page 88, so please turn to page 88. Let's check the homework to see what we need to do. All right, section 4, listening, says read the reading strategy and complete exercise B following the instructions. All right. Listening strategy says to take notes. All right, so taking notes. This should help you in every class. So practice this in all of your classes. When taking notes, do not write complete sentences. Write only the key words that provide information. When you listen and take notes, try to hear and write down the key words. Listen for words that are stressed or repeated. If you miss a point, do not stop. Continue listening and take as many notes as possible. Read through your notes and try to make a summary. All right, this is important. So in your classes, don't try to write down everything the teacher says. Write down the important things and don't stop. Important words, important phrases, concepts. And then after class at home, you should read through your notes with the book, and then you can put everything together. And that will help you learn. That will help you in all of your classes. So you're welcome. All right. All right, so let's go. Exercise B says listen to the audio, take notes on the name, nationality, occupation, field, achievements, and influence or impact of the important people from the audio. So these are 3 people. So before you get started, if you don't know what name, nationality, occupation, field, achievements, influence, or impact, if you don't know what these words mean, please pause the video, look them up in your dictionary. All right, so I'm going to play the audio one time, and you need to listen.
Listening. Activity B. Listen to the audio. Take notes on the name, nationality, occupation, field, achievements, and influence or impact of the important people from the audio. Who are the most influential people of the past? Historians still debate the issue of the most influential people in history, going back to ancient times. Part 1. Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, 1869 to 1948, was born in India, then part of the British Empire. He studied law and fought for the civil rights of Indians at home and in South Africa. He became the leader of India's independence movement using peaceful forms of civil disobedience such as hunger strikes and marches. His commitment to nonviolence inspired human rights movements throughout the globe, including those of civil rights leader Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. and Nelson Mandela. Part 2. Who invented the Internet? The Internet cannot be accredited to a single inventor. It was initially used by the U.S. government and then by scientists and researchers for communication and data sharing. It is now being used by most people across the globe for communication, shopping, entertainment, information, and a source of inspiration. Part 3. Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison, 1847 to 1931, a leading inventor, introduced electricity into modern life, turning night into day. He held a record number of 1,093 patents singly or jointly. Edison was also a successful businessman and the creator of the first industrial research laboratory in the world. He was the driving force behind key innovations such as the incandescent light bulb, the photograph, the first practical dictaphone, mimeograph, storage battery, and kinetoscope, a camera for moving pictures.
All right, that's interesting. So I'm not sure if your book is a little different than mine. I have Gandhi, that was the first one. The second one talked about the internet, but I have a picture of who I believe is Winston Churchill. And then this is Edison. So the first one and the third one in what's in this video are good. It's talking about the internet for the part 2. I'm not sure exactly why it did that. So in your exercise, listen to the audio as many times as you need and do the audio 1 for Gandhi and the last audio for Thomas Edison and do this. If it was me, I would write their names, Gandhi, Edison, and then I would write nationality, occupation, field, achievements, and then as I was listening, I would write it really quick like that. So that's me. So you can do this here, wherever you have space. We're not doing this, so you can do it down here if you need to. So that's it for that one. If you're a little confused, don't worry. Send me a message, send me an email, then I can help you one-on-one. Thank you.